Dragons. Only a victory will do for the French supporters.
Yeah, the high expectations, very high expectations. The physical training that players do cope with hardship and pain.
And that's Pélissier, Éloi Pélissier, the 11-time French international. He made his 80th appearance and got a try against London on Thursday. There he is in a dummy half again, gets the ball away to Leon Price. Beautiful ball from Leon Price. Good pass then to Escaré. There'll be no stopping Escaré. This fella's quick as lightning, Morgan Escaré. And he gets over for the first Catalan Dragons try and immediately on its feet.
The touch of magic, wasn't it, by Leon Price, and the support play, Zeb Tier just took it very nicely indeed, back on the inside, and the fullback, he was away.
Well, every team wants their ball player to take on the defence at times.
You know, he was at Oldham. But this is a big challenge once again of this Rovers defence, and here is Vincent Duport. Oh, he slipped the net there. Eden's after him. Is he strong enough, Duport?
Oh, he's passed it into an intercept. I thought that was good defence.
As it was on Lima, who plays the ball to Pélissier. And that was Battieri, gives it back to Lima. That was Elima, good quick hands, or a little scamper away. A big hit by Gardner, but the ball went. Duport got the ball clear to Millard. Millard, as he fell, got it away to Zeb Tier.
It was a big hit as well, wasn't it, on Gardner? Duport felt that.
And final score from Castleford, they beat Warrington 40 points to 6.
This is play on!
And it's Whitehead! Whitehead gets the ball down, but the referee will hand this upstairs.
This will be play on from that situation.
Well, it looks quite clear that you can see Leon Price was trying to flick it back, and as soon as it hit Horn, it was play on, and this surely should be given.
The try did nothing else.
Well, they met Jeff Lima about 14 metres away from his own line. He made it to the 20-metre mark, and here
you see quite clearly that he's getting his hand over, and well, that looks a lot dangerous, very dangerous.
Well, that hasn't helped the cause, and the Catalan Dragons looking to take full advantage. Oh, it's a horrible pass, it's a try, and it's a try for Michael Owen.
Kick into the left-hand corner, surely.
Well, they're all calling for it wide. They've gone short, bouncing everywhere. Could be a try. No, it's lost forward by Pomeroy, or is it?
Well, we were all expecting the kick over onto that right-hand side. That's play on. That's play on.
This is Pomeroy.
That's a knock
He's
on.
knocked on.
It's last tackle, so it'll be a play the ball 10 metres.
Good field position from this centre six.
The Rovers, by the way. Sideline comment from Brian. Will take it forward. 12 metres away. Hodgson gets the short ball to Jordan Cox.
Bit of a problem for the Catalan hooker. Pélissier, he caught a bad knock in the face.
Craig Hall gets the ball away. This is Travis Burns. Travis Burns dumps it down to Greg Eden! And Eden will get in for Rovers.
Great try.
Three to bring him down. There's a right Shamosl on the ground. Hodgson pointing right, going right, and finding Burns. That looked as though it might have been forward. This is Laroya. Laroya against his parent club. So close to that line. Will play the ball. Hodgson, it was the best. It's arrived though in the arms of Jordan Cox. And the try, the way things are progressing down here in the south of France against his former players, his former coach, but he's out there and he's leading the hunt for another try, as is Burns, as is Hall, as is Wellham, and Wellham gets it wide. It's Caro. They're in on the Rovers. The score.
Leon Price can create something for their three quarters.
Well, here is Leon Price. Oh, a nice little dummy from Price. He's trying to weave his way through this defence. He gets to the 10-metre line. This on the back of that first penalty. Escaré gets it away to Zeb Tyre. That's a good defence from Jason Netherton. He still manages to get the ball away though. Another set of 6 coming up here. Miller over in the corner.
And from behind, this will tell us. Does he get the ball down first?
Yeah, quite this in the ear from Thierry Alibert, and the try.
To the corner, okay, got the ricochet.
Carlisle to Burns, here's Hodgson.
This is where they've got to utilise the double runner.
Carlisle again.
Use the foil.
Greg Hall, Greg Eden, they go wide and they're in with Caro. Second try for Amari Caro.
Minutes of Leon Price, and they need something from him again.
4 tackles gone this set of 6 for the Catalan Dragons as Garcia gets to his feet. Here is Price again, and Price bounces off one would-be challenge, runs laterally, gets the ball away. There's Boss. Boss then gets it to Pomeroy. Pomeroy wide, and it is Oldfield in the corner for his second try.
Really looks for the ball, takes it on.
Yeah, Morgan Escaré was definitely not standing square, hence the reason.
It's the error, isn't it? I think on the second play here of 6, he has to try and stay in the field. I know he does, but it's too late and too risky.
This fella playing the ball now, it's his 26th appearance. And Lima.
Attitude of this Catalan side now with Lima coming back on.
Pelissier, scampering little run.
Will they go for Caro again with a high kick?
Garcia will play it. Here's Price, he will go for the high kick. Here's another tester for Amari Caro.
The whole KR supporters will be hoping for it, but again, great kick from Leon Price. He gets the distance exactly right and manages to just bring it short of the try line. Wonderful take back. It's even more important that Catalan can find the killer blow here.
Himself from Pelissier. Here is Elima, now it's Lima. No coincidence that they're enjoying another spell of superiority with Jeff Lima on the field. Here's another penalty. Will they take the 2, I wonder?
Yeah. Remembered at the start of the net.
Let's look for the little car. They've pointed at the sticks. Been desperate. Here it comes.
Oh, they've got to take the short kick off. Yeah, without a doubt.
Bosk puts the ball over. Got the pass away as well to Battieri, and look where they are, the Dragons, and here they get another penalty for offside.
They might as well keep
Pelissier
it
so close.
2 points, that's all they've got to do.
The Rovers have to score 3 times, and they do.
Such an important
So in the end, Eden to Burns, and Burns with a high crossfield kick. Can Wellham claim it? Yes, he can, but it's flicked down, picked up off the deck, and away goes Pomeroy. And Pomeroy puts boot to ball, an invitation for Oldfield. Oldfield's gone without it. Oldfield was held back. Play on, because I think it was a knock on anyway, so here come the Rovers with Wellham. Here is Costigan. Costigan and over the top of Burns. And it's Jordan Cox, isn't it?
Boy, they did well to get back, did Catalan, into a defensive line.
Once more, it's solid Dragons defence. Hodgson, Burns. This is Hall. Oh, there's men on the overlap wide for Hall. He's dropped it.
Penalties, he's pinched
From the
it.
touches on the far side, he said the first knock-on was by Hulkinson Rose, but you can see there it's after the collision that the ball's
Catalan
fallen.
Dragons coach making his way down to ground level, and here comes Escaré, fed by Boss. Now you're right, he's in the physical shape of Michael Wayman.
He's had a big game as well, hasn't he? He really puts himself about.
And Boss with a drop goal, which just seals the win 100% for the Catalan Dragons now as well, as do they. Flags are raised by 1 or 2 of the Rovers players.